Hi dear students of standard 10. Today we will discuss chemistry chapter 6. I have written a mathematical problem here in the board and I will read out it and you will see. 12 gram calcium and 25 gram chlorine are taken to form 39.08 gram calcium chloride, but expected amount of product is not formed. Question number 1. How much mole of chlorine is used in the reaction? Calculate. Why was expected amount of product not formed? Explain mathematically. So this is the question. So we'll start first one. How much mole of chlorine is used in the reaction? Calculate. This one I will calculate and you will see. For calculating we need to write the reaction first. So we'll write the reaction. Calcium plus chlorine, calcium chloride. So how much mole of chlorine is used up? We have taken here 25 gram chlorine, but we have taken 25 gram chlorine with 12 gram calcium, but if complete reaction is held there, then total amount of both calcium chlorine will be proper. Here we will calculate which one is limiting reactant. We have taken here 25 gram chlorine, but 25 gram chlorine is used or not used. We need to find out using finding out limiting reactant. So we need to write here atomic mass of calcium 40 gram and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 into 2. So 35 into 0.5 into 2 equal to 71 gram. Molecular mass of chlorine is 71, and what the molecular mass of calcium chloride? Here calcium 40 plus 35.5 into 2. So total 71 40 111 gram. We have got molecular mass, atomic mass of reactant products. Now we need to find out which one is the limiting reactant. For this one, here 71 gram chlorine reacts with 40 gram calcium. So we can write 40 gram calcium reacts with 71 gram chlorine. 40 gram calcium reacts with 40 gram calcium reacts with 71 gram chlorine. So 1 gram calcium reacts with 71 divided by 40 gram chlorine. So how much calcium we have taken in the reaction? We have taken here 12 gram. Calcium reacts with 71 into 12 divided by 40 gram. Then we need to multiply 71 and 12. Then we will divide by 40. Then I have calculated already. It will be 21.3 gram chlorine. 21.3 gram chlorine. So in the reaction we have taken 25 gram chlorine, but we have calculated using a limiting reactant. 40 gram calcium reacts with 71 gram chlorine. So 12 gram. Because we have taken 12 gram in the reaction, so if we take 12 gram, we need just 21.3 gram chlorine, but in the reaction we have taken 25 gram. So the if we subtract 25 minus 21.3 gram chlorine, then we can get some leftover reactant chlorine. So 21.3 gram will go to react with 12 gram calcium, and suppose here if I take 25 gram total, so for proper reaction we need more than 12 gram calcium, but we have taken just only 12 grams, so we need to calculate mole of chlorine using 21.3 gram, because here calcium is limiting reactant. We know gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass equal to 1 mole. So here 71 gram chlorine equal to 1 mole. 71 gram chlorine equal to 1 mole. So 1 gram chlorine equal to 1 by 71 mole. And how much chlorine is used up in the reaction? Only 21.3 gram chlorine. We have taken 25 gram, but total 25 gram chlorine is not used up in the reaction. Only 21.3 gram, because the amount of calcium only 12 gram. 12 gram reacts with 21.3 gram. Though we have taken 25 gram, but total 25 gram will be not used in the reaction. So this one will be used up in the reaction. So we will find out the mole number using 21.3 gram chlorine. So 21.3 divided by 71 mole. So we have calculated already 21.3 divided by 71 equal to 0.3 mole. This mole will be used in the reaction. But if I calculate directly 25 gram chlorine, it will be wrong, because the 25 gram is not used. We have taken 25 gram, but only 21.3 gram is used up. So 0.3 mole chlorine will be used up in the reaction. This is the answer of first mathematical problem. Then we'll go in the second one. The second question was why is expected amount of product not formed? Why is expected amount? What is expected amount? Actually we wanted to find out what 39.08 gram calcium chloride. 39.0 gram calcium chloride we wanted to produce, but this expected amount was not produced. So what's the reason behind this? We'll find out now. For solving this problem we need to write a reaction again. And what is the reaction? Calcium plus chlorine, calcium chloride, calcium plus chlorine. Similarly here 40 gram and 71 gram, total 2 atom of chlorine, and here 111 gram calcium chloride. So we have written here atomic mass of calcium chloride, molecular mass of chlorine, and molecular mass of calcium chloride. So we need to write 71 gram chlorine. From 71 gram chlorine we can get 111 gram calcium chloride. So how much we wanted to produce? We wanted to produce 39.08 gram. So we can write from 71 gram chlorine we get 111 gram calcium chloride. From 71 gram chlorine we get 111 from the equation. We can, if we take this amount and this amount, we will get 111 gram calcium chloride. So we have taken in the reaction, though total 25 gram chlorine didn't react. So we will find out using 25 first. From 1 gram chlorine we get 111 gram divided by 71 gram calcium chloride. uh, this step, we know 25 gram was not used in the reaction. If we take 25 gram and it is total 25 gram chlorine react, then how much product we can get, we'll find out first. We have taken in the reaction 25 gram, so total 25 gram if react, then how much calcium chloride we can find. First we need to calculate. So from 25 gram chlorine we can get 111 divided by 25 divided by 71 gram calcium chloride. So if we calculate this one, 111 multiplied by 25 divided by 71, I calculated, and this amount is 39.08 gram. So if 25 gram chlorine is used up, then we can get 39.0. That means for producing 39.08 gram calcium chloride, the proper amount of chlorine we actually took, but total 25 gram, whether total 25 gram chlorine reacted or not, we will find out now. So that means the amount of chlorine to produce 39.08 gram calcium chloride we have taken. So from using calcium, now we'll do from 40 gram calcium, how much? From 40 gram, if we take 40 gram, then 111 gram calcium chloride we obtain. So we get 111 gram calcium chloride from 40 gram. So how much calcium we took in the reaction? We have taken only 12 gram. So from 1 gram calcium we get 111 divided by 40 gram calcium chloride. So from how much? Only 12 gram. 12 gram calcium we get 111 into 12 divided by 40 gram calcium chloride. So if we multiply 111 by 12, then if we divide by 40, then how much? We can get 33.3 gram calcium chloride. That means if we take 12 gram, we can get just 33.9 gram. That means we can't get 39.08 gram calcium chloride from 12 gram. To produce 39.08 gram calcium chloride, we need more than 12 gram calcium. So that means proper amount of calcium was not taken. This is the reason behind why we didn't get expected amount of product. Actually, chlorine, we have taken proper amount of chlorine, 25 gram. From 25 gram, if 25 gram is used up in the reaction, then we could get the expected amount. But 25 gram chlorine was not reacted, and 40 gram. From 40 gram we can get 111 and 12 gram. So this is the reason behind this, why 12 gram from 12 we get only 33.3 gram. So that means proper amount of calcium was not taken. So proper amount of producing 39.08 gram calcium chloride. Proper amount of producing amount of calcium, we can write here calcium, producing 39 was not taken. Was not taken. This is the reason. Proper amount of calcium producing 39 gram calcium was not taken. So that means this is the 12 This is the reason behind this 12 gram. This is not perfect amount to produce 39.08 gram calcium chloride. So this is the answer. Thank you very much.